Hello everybody and welcome back to Getting Over It. And I said I wasn't going to play this game anymore until I made it to the stairs. So, assuming that it actually did record my progress as it was supposed to, then I should be on the stairs. Yes, okay. Because I got here last night and I basically spazzed and I had to put it down for fear of... Okay, now I've never been here before, so I'm going to be so careful. No. Oh, wow. Okay, already off the bat, I'm like, what? Calm and peaceful. Everybody's calm. Everybody's peaceful. Let me think, what's the best thing to do here? The camera or that ledge? Let's try for the... Nope, okay. Wow. Oh god, he's gonna have one of those days. You know? Okay, are you ready? Shh. Let's go. Ready? Push! Oh no! Get back up! Okay. I'm gonna do this. I swear I'm gonna do this. Maybe... What? I don't get it. Whoa. No. Oh, come on, man. Really? Oh. Give me a second. Okay, so as it turned out, second is actually like 10-15 minutes. Oh, it's a miracle I made it back up here. Oh wait, no, stay put up there. No. Okay, forget that ever happened. My life. Game is going to kill me. Da 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 da. It took 20 minutes to get back up that time. What am I doing? Oh, that was close. Come on. Whoa. No. Okay. Stop it. Oh. Why is this so... Hey, shh, stop it. I don't know why I'm telling him to shush. Why is that my natural go-to, is to tell everybody to shush? He's like... I was gonna say, it's not like he's making a lot of noise. You know, if he was talking and maybe he could help with the commentary, that would be absolutely fantastic. You know, there should be another person here doing commentary. Wow, I'm getting frustrated. Okay. Hold on, did I not hit the apply button? Okay. Come on, I hit it that time. Get back up. What? Oh! You little... Oh my god. Oh, that's right. Bennett Foddy, he doesn't like... comment anymore. His comments are all gone for the section that I'm at. And since I've never been above the section that I'm at, he actually gave up on me, and he was like, "Oh, I'll come back to you later." Like he was like, "I'll leave you alone for a bit." That's it. Yeah, I was like a week ago. That was like a week ago. So I'm pretty pathetic. Bennett Foddy. Buddy, stop. Just calm down. Calm down. Come on. Do some watercolors. Get back up there. I swear, if you don't get back up there, I'm gonna have man soup. Right, so Bennett Foddy gave up on me. So I've been practicing this off and on for the last several weeks, because that's how hard this game is. And Bennett Foddy, he actually gave up on me. So I reset it several times, just so that I would have that commentary back, because, you know, like, it got actually, like, kind of lonely. Yeah, and that's how sad of a human being I am. And I don't know, maybe that camera's not the way to go. Oh! 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 That was so close. That was so close. I could totally do this. I could totally do this. That was so close. That was so close. That was so close. I'm so, like, I'm so afraid right now. I don't want to fall. What? What happened? Failure to launch. That's what happened. Ah! Ah! Yay! Okay! Okay! I know it doesn't seem like much, but okay. Trust me, it's enough. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Why? I was so happy for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Hold on. Okay. I say okay too much. My birds are like, stop saying okay. Tweet, 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 tweet. Jump. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Now I gotta fight to get back up there. Seriously. Oh, seriously. Wait. Why was it backwards? Why were you backwards? Why? Why? You ass backwards. Oh, come on. What is that nonsense? Alright. Ooh, that was actually a pretty good one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, ah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my god, no. No, 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 no. Ah! That was a double no. Oh! Ha 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 ha! Yes! Okay! Okay. Oh, oh, no, no, no. No, 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 don't jinx it, don't jinx it, don't jinx it. Oh, don't touch that. Okay. 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 Ooh, the lights are getting all pretty. No, 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 no. Stand up on the toilet. Stand up. Get. Why are you going down? No. Get up. Get up, get up, get up. Slowly. Slowly. Wheel it in. Wait, what can I grab? Oh, wait. Looks like I can grab that, so if I... Ah, see, I tricked you. I said I was going to go gently, and then I didn't go gently. I went whoosh.
On the off chance that you're playing this,
I'm playing this?
Trash is disposable.
Oh.
Maybe it doesn't have to be approachable. What's the feeling like? Are you stressed? I guess you don't hate it. You got this far.
No.
Feeling frustrated. It's underrated.
No, no, no. Keep talking. Keep talking. I'm lonely. Whoa. Okay, so that thing there is catching it. Whoa, what's with the oh, because the lighting is changing. It's almost like being between two biomes, like in Minecraft or Subnautica. Okay, that looks like a good angle. Ah! Yay! Oh my god! Okay. 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 Oh! Oh, oh. Okay. 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 Alright.
An orange
Oh!
is sweet. Locked inside a bitter. That's not how I feel about a challenge. I only want the bitterness. It's coffee. It's grapefruit. It's licorice.
Please keep talking. Vincent, and don't eat my headphones. And eat them. No, I... Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. You always come at the worst time, Vincent. There you go. Okay. No, 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 no! Oh my... Ah! Okay. 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 Ba 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 ba. Ba. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. He wouldn't save me. The little orange would not save me, and thus I could not be saved. Oh, 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 no, 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 stop it. Okay, no, 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 no. That was a botch, that was a botch. Nope, save it. No! 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 What? Car! Wait, oh, no. Oh. I don't even know. I don't even know if I still want to play anymore. Do I need a quick one or a slow one here? You know what? I want to take the slow route because that way if I mess up... Oh jeez, that looks steep. Alright, slow. No, no, no. Buddy, I said slow. I said slow. I said slow. No, I'm getting up this hill. Uh-oh. 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 No! 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 Oh. Oh, Crow, what am I supposed to do here? Can I take this one slow? Can he reach? I feel like this is a bad idea. And I'm really... No! Oh! I don't believe this game. Man, this thing is so rigged, and the speedrunners. How do you do it? How do you... I can't even steer it, and sometimes he just wants to lickety-doo, he wants to go all over the place, and then sometimes he just I don't even know what he's doing. I don't even know what he's doing half the time. You know, like speedrunners. Give me some pro tips, man. Like, how do you do what you do? Just jump over there. How do you do that from way that? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. All done. Come on. Come on. It's not like this thing got it. Ugh. Come on. Nope. No! Oh, man. I'm gonna beat up the barbecue. I'm gonna destroy the barbecue. I'm gonna destroy it. I'm gonna... Ah! I think I need to play Sims after this again. I wouldn't record it. It's just... It makes me feel better. Wow. Why can't I do that jump underneath, like under the stairs where it counts? Really? Oh. There we go. Anyway, be right back. Again. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but I had to stop, recording for a second because my software started freaking out. Excuse me. What if I... It's a bad idea. Oh, that was a royally bad idea. No. I'm still trying the slow route. Okay, Vincent, we've been over the... Vincent, that's not helping, honey. So, I'm still trying to do the slow route. Oh my god, why? Okay. I don't know how much more longer I can do this. I really don't. No, stop. Just no. Stop it. Just stop it. I'm getting tired. Honestly, I'm having trouble even staying awake through this right now because it's like the same thing over and over and over again. The same tricks. You know, like it's lunchtime. I haven't eaten. Whoa, what's going on with my background? No, stop it. The pot's moving. Don't move. Don't move. Okay. I think that's... I don't think it's a safe spot. I want to... Wait, I want to get readjusted on here. I want to have him on a safe-ish spot. I want him on a relatively... No, I want him on a relatively safe spot. Why are you tipping over like that, buddy? Okay, that's about as safe as it's gonna get. So, some progress was made. Yes, not a lot of progress was made, but some progress was made. Beyond that, I don't know what to say. I want to practice this part. It looks like you can do like slow. Is this 3 boulders up? Slow, and then the last one is fast, because that slope up there, like, he's just gonna slide right down. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit. The video's long enough. If you're with me, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.